this way. I don't know. We should be standing out here. I told you I saw part of it floating away a minute ago.
On the 28th of August, 2025, Super Typhoon Kajiki, also known as Typhoon Number 5, considered the strongest typhoon of the year, directly attacked Shanghai with wind gusts of over 180 km per hour and rainfall of up to 350 millimeter in just 24 hours. Meteorologists are predicting torrential rain, strong winds, and the possibility of flooding. The city's emergency response teams have been put on high alert, and residents are advised to stay indoors and prepare for the worst. The wind picked up, whipping through the streets and kicking up debris. The sky darkened, almost to dusk, and the first drops of rain began to fall. What started as a light drizzle quickly turned into a downpour. The rain was relentless, pounding against skyscraper windows and flooding streets in a matter of minutes. By 3 p.m., the storm had reached its peak. Winds howled like wild beasts, reaching speeds of over 100 km per hour. Trees were uprooted, and extensive property damage was caused. Super Typhoon Number 5 Kajiki is still unpredictable, so we hope everyone in China will be more vigilant. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to spread the message of safety during the storm. The rain was so heavy that it was difficult to see more than a few meters. Shanghai streets, usually teeming with people, were eerily deserted, save for a few ambulances braving the elements. The storm's impact on the city's infrastructure was immediate and devastating. Within hours, busy avenues in China's largest financial center turned into rivers, with many streets flooded to a depth of 0.8 to 1.2 meters. Drainage systems failed, turning roads into raging torrents that swept away vehicles and debris. The Hengjiang and Lianjiang rivers, already swollen by weeks of monsoon rains, burst their banks, inundating riverside communities. China's meteorological authorities issued a red alert at dawn, ordering more than 200,000 residents in Huangpu River areas and low-lying suburbs to evacuate. By noon, the entire Pudong International Airport had been forced to cancel more than 320 flights, while the subway system had suspended operations on at least 5 major lines as water-flooded tunnels. The storm caused widespread power outages, leaving more than 1.5 million households without power. Whole neighborhoods were in chaos. Cars were swept away, windows shattered, and uprooted trees blocked roads. Rescue forces have deployed more than 5,000 personnel, along with helicopters and boats, to rescue those trapped. Initial damage estimates put the cost at $2.3 billion, not including the indirect impact on trade and tourism. Experts say Kajiki is a stark warning about the risk of extreme natural disasters in coastal cities. The crowd of people is like a nest of ants. Do you wonder where they come from and why they are so crowded? Can you guess the length of this snake? Please leave your comments below in the comments section so we can discuss it together. Yes. Looking at the way this ice floe rotates to change its position, it is truly a remarkable and captivating sight. You don't want stuff like that flying in your face, so if you don't want to get into trouble, stay indoors. Next, let's explore the silliest fires in history that still remain a mystery as to what caused them. No way! I'm imagining how this driver got his car into such a hole. Surely this python had a deep sleep and did not want anyone to disrupt his peaceful dream, but this man did not give him satisfaction. The elements of nature may seem scary and inspiring to us, but for sailors, it's just a normal day at work. It's scary that just a slight snap of Mother Nature's fingers is enough to collapse this solid bridge. Some tourists in Greenland were lucky enough to witness the amazing sight of a giant iceberg separating and collapsing right before their eyes. I bet seeing this live really shocked them. Seeing the giant tornado that resembles a monster gives us goosebumps. Now imagine you're the cameraman. Would you be brave enough to get close and capture that moment? Enjoy the way the God of Thunder displays his power, with brilliant lightning rays spreading across the sky, creating a chaotic feeling of fear in our hearts. Oh my God! You can imagine how strong the wind must be to be able to uproot a tree so easily. Look at the way he surfs on the waves. It's really beautiful and impressive. No way. An out-of-control plane is plummeting down below. Can it land successfully? And even this road is no exception. They are created and destroyed by natural factors. Oh my God! It's terrible to be attacked by a snake, lurking in your house, and it comes out like a nightmare to wake you up. Maybach just released a new model, right? Wow! This is probably one of the most unique and relaxing tourist destinations that you should go to even once to change the atmosphere. I can't imagine anything more unlucky than a python lurking in your house, even making a hole in the ceiling and arrogantly claiming that it is the owner of this house. Oh my goodness! You have received a free gift from nature, and please accept it with gratitude. Oh my God! It's terrible when such a strong wind appears. What you need to do is find a safe place to hide right now. Oh. Hope your auto insurance is still active after this hailstorm. This is why you should pay workers 1 times the original amount, because such work is really dangerous. Welcome, an uninvited guest. This snake is even more natural than your home. Oh my God! It all comes at a price for your curiosity. Have you ever heard of snake basking in the sun? There's a place that will pay you $20,000 to quit your job, and your new job is feeding alligators. Do you accept?